Let's see how you can easily send free email broadcast to your customers or email list using our platform. So here I'm in a demo account, and here in the channel section we have already connected an email as well. So here if you go to settings, channels, and here in email you can actually connect any email you like from different email providers. And here if you click on learn more, you have the guide as well on how to connect any email providers as well. So here we have connected test@chattingmedia.com. Using test@chattingmedia, we are going to send any sort of emails to the customers. So to send any sort of email marketing campaigns, you need to have some contacts with the email collected. So if you don't have, what you can do is you can actually import contacts using a CSV file where you have their emails as well, and then send an email broadcast to them. Otherwise, you can also collect the email from customers from different channels like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or even other channels too. For example, in the Instagram, you can actually run comments to DM automation where you can actually collect specific email address, or there are other options as well. For example, let's see how you can actually collect their email address first and then send the email broadcast right here using this email broadcast option we have right here. All right, so first of all, let me go to the flow section and let me use a free template over there. Go to all free templates, and here let's use the one from comments automation. And here we have a free template for the request email address, send resource link, IG comments template. So let me make a duplicate of this template over here. All right, and rename this one as well. And let me say demo request email address, send resource link. That's it. All right, click continue. And this is the free template, and here you have instructions on how to use this one. So here the idea is to ask them to comment a specific keyword on Instagram reels of post, and from there we can actually trigger a DM automation or send them a DM automatically. So this is the first message they are going to receive over here, and when they say yes, we actually collect their email address over here and set the event is set up as well. And after that we actually provide them the free resource link, and after that you can also send them an email as well. So if you remember, we have connected test@chattingmedia over here, so make sure you change the email address as test@chattingmedia or whatever the email address you have connected on your account. And here you can edit the subject if you want. So let me say demo, just add the subject demo, and here you can edit other details as well. You can even add tags to specific flows to identify each of these customers or the people who actually download the ebook. For example, let me add a tag over here. Go to actions, and here you have the option to add the tag, and let me say ebook lead. So that means they have actually shared the email address to get the free ebook just for the demo, and you can actually use this tag whenever you send a broadcast as well. All right, so here I have added the tag as well. So let me publish this one. All right, it's now published. So now you have to go to the marketing tools over here and set up the Instagram comments automation. So go to Instagram comments automation, and here let me say demo IG email capture, and here you can leave this one as all post, so it will simply work on all the posts including the future ones as well. And the most important thing, private reply, you have to choose the exact flow we just duplicated. So here the flow is demo request email address, and here you can also add any sort of public comment replies as well, saying when they comment a specific keyword, you can add the public comment replies saying send you a DM, just let them know they have received a DM, ask them to check the DMs, those kind of things. And here you can set the keyword, what keyword you want to trigger this automation for. So in this case, let me just say ebook. So as soon as they comment as ebook, then this particular automation will be triggered. And here you have other options too. For example, you can even delay these responses for a few minutes, hours as well. All right, so let me click save over here, and here let me activate this one as well. All right, so now the email capture from the Instagram comments automation is ready. So let's quickly test this one before we actually send them an actual email broadcast. Okay, so let me share my phone screen over here. So this can simply work on any reel or post. Let me open a random post over here and add the keyword which is ebook, and from here the automation will be get triggered and send them a message over there. Let's see how this actually works. All right, so here we receive the message. It says, "Hi robot, we have a fantastic free resource. Would you like to receive it?" Here, let me say yes, please. And now it should simply ask them to provide the email address over here. So it says, "Great, please provide your email address." So let me provide an email address over here, chatikmedia@gmail.com. All right. So let's see what happens over here. So now it should simply provide me the free ebook and also send the same ebook to my email instantly as well, because that's how the free template was set up right there. So here, from here, they can actually access the free ebook by tapping on this button. And here, if we go to that particular free template over there, which we just duplicated, let me show that. So comments automation. So this is the duplicate we just made. And here, as soon as we provide them with the free ebook just in the DMs, we also send them an email as well. As you can see here, the email should be delivered to them as well with the title, "Demo your free resource" is here. So let me show that. So here, this is the exact email we just received. So now, if you want to send them additional emails, or if you want to send an additional email broadcast, you can do that as well. For that, you can simply go to the broadcast option over here and choose send and choose the email channel over here. But here you have to select a flow to send it. So before you send the email broadcast, you have to create the particular broadcast email you want to send. All right. So let me create a new one, and let me create a new flow, and let me say email broadcast demo. All right. So here, instead of sending a message, you want to send them an email. So here, choose actions plus icon and choose send email, and just make this one as the starting step. That's it. And remove this one because we just want to send them an email. So here you can add any subjects you like as well. For example, let me add the subject as this one, this pre-header as this one, headline as this one. You can even add any sort of images, text, even buttons as well. So here, let me say add button, open website, and here just add the website address you want to open if you want, just for the demo. And here you can even add the customer name as well, adding the first name, last name, full name, those kind of things. Here you can even add all these options, including any sort of HTML coded emails as well. All right, so this is just a demo. So we want to send this email as a broadcast to that specific person who have actually came from the Instagram comments. So that's why we actually already added a tag over here. So if you remember, if you go back to the particular flow right here, you remember we have added a tag saying ebook lead. So that particular tag will be added to that particular specific customer who came from the Instagram comments. So if you go to the unified inbox, you can track all these conversation happened right here. So here, if you scroll down in the tags, you see ebook lead is here. So now, before you send the broadcast, you can actually filter them as well. So let me go to the broadcast section over here and send the broadcast over here. Choose email over here, and the flow will be the flow we just created, email broadcast demo. So here, this is the email broadcast we want to send them, and you can even set up email sequences as well to send after a few days as well. I will show how to do that in a minute as well. So here, when to send this one, so you can send this now or schedule for later as well. So if you schedule for later, it will be sent in the user customer's time. So let me send now, and here you have 10 people with the email provided, but we want to send that specific broadcast to only that one came from the Instagram comment. So in this case, I want to add the filter and choose a tag is and say ebook lead, and if I click save, you should see receivers change to 1. Save it. As you can see here, only one receiver, only that particular person just came in. All right, so let me send that particular broadcast to one person right here. Click continue. All right, so it should be sent now. All right, so it's sent now. So now let's check if you actually receive an email over here. So here I just received the email broadcast demo, exact email I just set up right here with all these things, including the customer name as well. So if you are wondering how to send the email sequences, you can do that as well. For that, you have to go to marketing tools, and here you have the option to set up drip campaigns. So here you can set up different campaigns or different email campaigns right here with different time frames as well. For example, this one you can actually send after 1 day, this one 3 days, one after 5 days. So here, once you create a drip campaign right here in the flow builder, you have to simply add an action over here subscribing them to the drip campaigns where you don't need to do anything, because since they have already subscribed to the drip campaign you set up right here, they will simply start receiving any sort of emails you have set up within that specific drip campaign. And that's a quick video on how you can easily send free email broadcast to your customers. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.